Welcome back to Ride JBI. I'm JB. The new big ticket item on the 2026.5 KTM factory editions and Husky Rockstar editions is the new WP Pro Component suspension that is now coming stock on those bikes. Now, I have a long history of testing, tuning, and developing our high-performing JBI spec settings for this WP Pro Component suspension. In this video, I'm going to go over what I think of the stock settings for this WP Pro Component suspension. I'll go over which riders are going to love the suspension and which riders may want something more out of it. So stay tuned. All right, so the left of me is the WP Pro Component suspension that comes stock. This is from a 2026 Husqvarna FC250 Rockstar edition. Now, this hardware is shared with the KTM as well, the 250 and 450. The internal valving settings, so that means how the shim stacks are configured inside of the shock and the fork, are identical for both the 250 and 450 models. What there is different between the two are the spring rates that this suspension comes stock with. So up on the screen right now are the stock settings that this suspension comes configured to in terms of the clicker settings, oil volumes, and spring rates. Now, we're going to have that same information posted on our website, ridejbi.com. You'll be able to find that in our JBI spring rate category. That's where we list out our JBI spring rate charts, where we break down what the stock spring rates are, what rider weights we think those springs work best for, and then also have that clicker information listed on there as well. We also go as far as listing 4 different types of spring rates, depending on the type of riding that you're doing. If you're doing motocross or off-road, there's going to be different spring rates that we recommend based on that riding type. Now let's break down what riders I think that are going to love the suspension and which riders are going to think that it's a little bit on the firm side and doesn't have that kit level of comfort that you would hope from this style of suspension. Now, when KTM says ready to race, they really mean it. The way that this suspension comes configured, it is ready to go race a legit AMA National by a pro level rider. Now, those of you that have ridden a track that hosts the National, you will commonly see that how the track is prepped during a pro National is often very different than how it is prepped on your regular practice day. For us here in California, when we go watch the Fox Raceway National, that track is prepped very different compared to when we are riding it on the weekends and weekdays during a practice. During Nationals, the tracks tend to be prepped by being ripped a lot deeper, so the tracks tend to have a lot more rolling resistance due to how deep the dirt is when they ride. Also, the tracks tend to build up the jumps, so the jumps are quite a bit bigger. All that means is you typically want a slightly firmer suspension setting than you normally would, 1, to account for the rolling resistance of how deep the track is, and 2, to account for the bigger jumps. And then lastly, you want some stiff suspension like this to account for just how talented and fast those pro level riders are. Now, that is not you, like the majority of us riders, and by that I mean not an AMA pro rider. You may find the suspension to be lacking the amount of comfort and plushness that you would hope to expect from this kit level suspension. Well, no need to worry, because the hardware you have on your new factory edition or Rockstar edition bike is awesome. It's just a matter of adjusting those settings to get the desired feel that you want. Now, there are some riders out there that are amateurs or local pros, and they want suspension on the firm side to begin with. So you may like this suspension as well. But for the majority of us that are amateurs, novices, vet riders, you will find that you can jump the hell out of this suspension. You can jump it far and it's not going to bottom. But over the small and medium bumps that you commonly find going into corners and then exiting corners, you're likely going to get some more feel from the bike than you would like. Riders often describe this as a bike being chattery. So what we're going to do is we're also going to put up on the screen some alternative clicker settings that we believe will help you get some more comfort out of the suspension. Now, by no means is that going to be the best optimal setup. The best optimal setup you can do is get this suspension revalved to be more specific to you. Now, of course, at Ride JBI, we have developed our own JBI spec settings to get the most out of this JBI spec suspension. But what I want to convey the most is, again, the settings we have posted on the screen now will at least help get more comfort out of the bike for you. But ultimately, you either want another suspension company, whether it's us or somebody else, to revalve this to be more specific to you and the type of riding that you're doing. Now, here in California, we tend to have more hard-packed tracks in comparison to the tracks that you would find the Midwest to the East Coast. Now, since those tracks tend to have more, let's say, low mirror tracks, and they are deeper with the dirt and the terrain, those tracks tend to have more rolling resistance as well. So The feedback and the response you're going to get from different riders that buy these bikes is definitely going to vary depending on your location in the United States. So people that ride hard pack tracks, the suspension being on the stiffer side definitely is not going to favor that. Riders that are riding softer tracks and sand tracks, these firmer settings will be more in line with that. However, for a lot of you, it's still going to feel a little bit on the firm side. All right, guys, so let's recap. So number one, first, you have an awesome new bike. Congrats on the new bike that you got. Secondly, you have awesome WP Pro Component suspension on your bike. So the hardware you have is top notch. Now the next step for you is one, confirming the spring rates that are on your bike and to ensure that those are matched to you, the rider. By that, I mean your physique, how tall you are and how much you weigh. A good way to verify that is, again, visit our website, ridejbi.com, and check out our JBI spring rates. We'll have specific charts listing the spring rates that we recommend. After you've confirmed or installed the correct spring rate for you, the next step after that to get the full performance out of this suspension is going to get it revalved. Again, we'd be happy to do it for you at Ride JBI. You're welcome to send your suspension to us and we can build it. We also have our JBI Spec DIY kits where we repackage our same revalve service and send it to you. Now, we've been working on this WP Pro Component suspension for many years, so something that we are very familiar with. We're really excited to see this on the new Factory Edition and Rockstar Edition bikes. It is an awesome deal and awesome value for the price they're selling that bike at and all of the extras that come with it. The suspension alone is a great reason to spend a couple extra bucks and buy the Factory or Rockstar Edition over the Standard Edition. Now, I'd love to hear what you guys think in the comments if you now own one of these bikes and what your own experience is. Again, one thing I can't convey enough is all riders are different in your size, your physique, your ability, and where you ride at. So there's not necessarily one absolute answer in terms of how this stock suspension performs. It's heavily going to vary depending on you, the rider.